When it comes to keeping your Laurel home and family safe, many homeowners think first about locks, alarms, and exterior lighting. But one critical element of home security that often gets overlooked is your windows. Windows are one of the most common entry points for intruders, especially if they're old, poorly secured, or improperly installed. That's why investing in new, professionally installed windows can go a long way in enhancing the security of your home. Here's a closer look at how proper window installation improves your home's security in Laurel, and why it's a smart move for any homeowner who values peace of mind. Secure fit, better protection. Even the strongest window materials can't provide reliable security if the window isn't installed correctly. Over time, homes settle and shift, causing gaps and misalignments around window frames. Poorly installed or outdated windows may not close properly or may leave small spaces that make it easy for a determined intruder to pry them open. Professional window installation ensures a secure, precise fit in every opening. This eliminates weak points and prevents intruders from exploiting loose frames or ill-fitting sashes. With a snug, correctly installed window, it's much harder for anyone to force their way inside, giving your family an added layer of protection. Stronger glass option. Older windows often have single-pane glass that's easy to break, not just by burglars, but also by storm debris or accidents. New window options available to Laurel homeowners include much stronger glass types, such as laminated or tempered glass. Laminated glass, for example, features a special interlayer that holds the glass together even if it's shattered, making it more difficult to breach. When you choose high-security window glass and have it professionally installed, you ensure that it performs as designed. An experienced installer knows how to handle these advanced materials and secure them properly, maximizing their effectiveness and keeping your home safer. Improved locks and hardware. The locking mechanisms on old or poorly installed windows are often flimsy or no longer function as intended. New windows come with modern locking systems that are much more secure, including multi-point locks, reinforced latches, and impact-resistant hardware. Proper installation is essential to making sure these locks work correctly. A professional installer will align the sash and frame perfectly, so your locks engage fully and provide maximum security. Without professional installation, even the best hardware may not operate effectively, leaving your home vulnerable. Enhanced visibility and monitoring security isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's also about being able to see what's happening around your home. New, professionally installed windows can improve your ability to monitor the outside of your property by offering clear, unobstructed views. Whether you're checking who's at the door or keeping an eye on the yard, well-installed windows help you stay aware and proactive. Peace of mind for your family. Nothing is more important than knowing your family is safe. Properly installed, modern windows add peace of mind by removing one of the weakest links in your home's security system. You'll sleep better at night knowing your windows are secure, durable, and built to resist intrusion. Final thought. In Laurel, keeping your home secure means thinking beyond just alarms and cameras. Windows are a critical part of your home's defense, and upgrading them with professional installation is one of the best investments you can make in your family's safety. From a secure, exact fit to stronger glass, better locks, and greater durability, new windows installed by skilled professionals enhance both your home's security and its overall value. If you're concerned about safety or just want to upgrade your home's protection, contact a trusted window installation expert in Laurel today, and take the next step toward a safer, more secure home.